Hola, buenos días. Hello, good morning, y bienvenidos al día final de semana número 1. And welcome to day 5, your last day of week 1. You guys have done a great job with your packets. I'm very proud. Estoy muy orgullosa de todo su trabajo por esta semana. So let's look on our... Hello, and welcome to day 5, your last day for week 1. Hola, y bienvenidos al día número 5. Día final de semana número 1. I'm very proud of all of your hard work. Estoy muy orgullosa de todo su trabajo. So let's get started for today. You can say it's day 5. We're going to do 2 pages looking at the letter U. We're going to read a book called Home. And then we have 2 writing activities. So por día número 5 vamos a tener 2 actividades con la letra U en inglés. Vamos a leer un libro sobre hogar como casa y hacer 2 actividades. All right, let's get started. So this week we're looking at the letter U, which makes the sound Please repeat after me. Favor de repetir el nombre de la letra y el sonido. U, Gus has fun. Here's my picture. This is a dog. His name is Gus. Este perro se llama Gus. Gus has fun. What 2 words have the sound? ¿Cuáles 2 palabras tienen el sonido Yes, Gus and fun. Here's a tub, a nut que puedes comer, rug, sun. Now we're going to use those illustrations to help us here with our sentences. Number 1, Gus has fun in the tub. Favor de repetir. Gus has fun in the tub. Here's a tub. Here we go. Gus sits on the... Look at my picture. What is that? Yes, it's a rug. Gus sits on the rug. Gus runs in the sun. Gus has a Bob has a bug. Y bug se escribe con letras en inglés B-U-G, con letras en español B-U-G. Bob has a bug with the sound. Great job. Let's do our next page. Here we have my letter E, my sound E. Please repeat. E, E. Like in the name, Bev. Bev has a pen. Here are more words with E. Please repeat after me. Bed, red, get on the bus, get off the bus. You can see here, she's going to enter, and here she's going to get off and leave. Let's use these pictures to help us with our sentences. Bev has a pen. Here she is, Bev, with her pen. Number 2, Bev gets off the bus. Tab, the cat, gets on the bed. Bev's bed is red. That has a lot of my sound. The pen is not red. Very good. Now it's good to hit pause and for you to do these activities again. Practice saying the sound when you see the letter U. Practice saying the sound when you see the letter I. Ahora ustedes deben poner pausa en el video para revisar las actividades, para enfocarse en decir when you see the letter, la letra U en inglés. Y favor de practicar de decir el sonido E cuando ves la letra I en inglés. All right, now you guys did a great job doing your activities about our letters and sounds. Now let's read a book called Home. And here we are, home, como casa, hogar. A living room is a place for family and friends. You can read, play, and spend time with others here. These are some things you might see in a living room. Couch, chair, rug, has my sound, window, television, table, fireplace. Kitchen. The kitchen is where people cook. You eat many meals here. A kitchen is a busy place. Microwave, dishwasher, refrigerator, stove. Bathroom. You use the bathroom every day. It is where you brush your teeth. It is also where you take baths and showers. Mirror, towel, sink, toilet, bathtub. Bedroom. The bedroom is where you start and end your day. It is where you sleep and wake up. It is also a place to play and do homework. Bed, with my sound, pillow, lamp, quilt, dresser, closet. And these are some of the different words we saw in our book. Great job. Ahora ustedes pueden hacer una pausa, reescuchar el libro y ustedes pueden escuchar o decirlo conmigo o leerlo independiente. So you guys can hit pause. You can listen to it again. You can read the book with me or you can read it by yourself. But let's use this to talk about our own houses. Come on. For today's rating, we have 2 activities. The first one says, at home. This is my house. It has a door and windows. These are different kinds of houses because everyone's home is different. Todos tenemos una casa o hogar diferente. Here's an apartment, a mobile home, or a townhouse. Here it says, draw your house. Here. So, para ilustrar y dibujar tu casa. And you can write about your house. This girl says, this is my house. It has a door. You can write, my house has a door. You can write, my house is blue. You can write, my house has 3 windows. And using our vocabulary from our book with our different rooms, you might want to say, my house has a kitchen. Todos esos son opciones cuando tú escribes sobre tu casa. O tú puedes hablar de tu casa. Now we have activity number 2, but you can hit pause and do the first one. Here's our last activity for today. It still says at home, but we want to draw one room, un cuarto. We're going to write one room in our house. You can draw a picture here, un dibujo aquí. Now we're going to write about the room. Do you want to write about the kitchen, living room, bedroom, or bathroom? Let's do the kitchen. Remember, in our book, we have some good examples. In the book, it says, the kitchen is where people cook. You eat many meals here. A kitchen is a busy place. And here are some words for us. Microwave, dishwasher, refrigerator, stove. You can write, my kitchen has a stove. You can write, I eat in the kitchen. You can write, I help my family in the kitchen. You can do a different room, like the living room, bedroom, or bathroom. Great job! That was day 5. You did the whole packet for week 1. Congratulations! Felicidades! Ya han cumplido todas las actividades de la primera semana. Alright, I'll see you later for next week. I miss you all, and have a great weekend. Bye!